Good to school. Bye.
You guys, I finished cooking dinner early today and I still haven't worked out, but best believe that your girl gonna get her workout in right now. I have like an hour to spare, so I'm gonna get my workout in right now, right this minute. Okay, I finally tried making the zucchini and chicken and it tastes so good. Can't wait for babe to try it. Anyway, you guys, let's go get this workout in right now. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Shot, get your workout in. Hey. Guys, my run is done and it was amazing. I honestly almost didn't get it done. I got ready this morning to work out. I did everything I had to do throughout the day. I cooked, I made breakfast, I made green juice, I tidied the house, I answered messages, I edited vlogs. I did everything possible not to work out, but my mind and my body honestly didn't feel right. It's like somebody in my head keeps saying Mel, workout, Mel, workout, Mel, workout, and I just couldn't go through my day without doing it. Now it's done and I feel freaking amazing. I feel so good during that run. Now that I finished, it just feels so good. I'm dripping, literally dripping wet, and that is awesome. Now I'm gonna get all dressed and ready to go pick up my baby from school. Okay, you guys, so here goes Tyler dinner. Who's calling me? Maybe. Hello.
Hello.
Oh my god. He fly out his chair. Talk to Papa.
Good.
Hold it like this. Put it at your ears. Wait. Like this.
Papa.
Bonjour, Tyler.
Bonjour, Papa.
Tu es sage?
Oui.
Tu as passé une bonne journée à l'école?
Oui.
Oui. C'est...
What you have to tell Papa?
Je mange à la cantine.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Je mange à la cantine.
Ok, t'as mangé à la cantine?
Oui.
Tell him you're gonna eat your dinner now.
Dida.
He's gonna eat his dinner, honey. Let him go. He wants his food. Baby?
Yeah.
That should be it, really.
Oui, Papa.
Alright. Any farmer sees where you are?
No.
Alright, that's it. That's it. I'm going to eat my dinner. I'm hungry. Lovely. Alright, Kai. This one is zucchini, okay?
It's green and white.
Yeah. It's yummy vegetable, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you put it on the spoon and you eat it up, okay?
Okay.
Bravo. Put it on the spoon like this. Mmm. Yummy? Yes? Wow. Listen, my boy is a champion. My boy. Everything Mama cooks. Enjoy your dinner. Say thank you, Mama.
Welcome, Mama. You are welcome.
You're welcome, Tyler.
I'm fine.
It fall? Take it up. Alright, Mama's gonna share her dinner now.
You're hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry. I'm very hungry.
I'm the cat.
Ah?
I'm the cat.
You want to cut it?
Yes.
Mama already cut it. Put it on the spoon.
I'm the cat like this.
Okay, so cut it. You cut it. You cut it?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Oh, yeah.
Now eat up.
What the sound?
Hmm?
Ah! I'm fine.
Be careful, okay?
Fine.
And fall. Yummy.
Yes.
Eat up the zucchini, okay?
Okay. What is here?
Huh?
What is here?
Hmm?
What's here?
You want to eat here?
Yes.
No, I thought that's what you just said. What did you say?
What this was here.
Oh yeah, put it here. So when you finish, you put it in your room, okay?
TV.
Please?
Please, Mama.
Okay.
Ah.
Quel grand tronc! S'exclamait-elle.
Regarde
Quelles
les
belles fleurs
animaux.
qui sont gentils, ces animaux. Ça, c'est quoi, ça?
Un hibou.
Oui, ça, c'est quoi?
Un écureuil.
Oui, et ça, c'est quoi?
Un renard.
Bravo! Et ça, c'est quoi?
Un yaka.
Oui, et ça, c'est quoi?
Je connais pas.
Ça, c'est un cerf.
Ça.
Cerf.
Oh,
Au
ok.
coucher du soleil, Boucle d'Or voulut rentrer chez elle, mais impossible de se souvenir du chemin. Boucle d'Or,
Lui.
oui, c'est la nuit. Boucle d'Or réalisa qu'elle était perdue. Tous les arbres se ressemblaient et elle avait l'impression de tourner en rond. Soudain, elle aperçut une jolie maison dans une clairière. S'exclama-t-elle ravie. Du lait avec du miel. Allez, on va lire la suite demain, d'accord?
Alright, the notification shout out.
Notification shout-out goes to
Karen James
Kevin James
and
and
Jem Cross.
Jeremy Quast.
Say thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, my loves. Always see you down in the comment section. We appreciate all the love.
I got
Tell Faves later. Say bye, Faves. I'm going to bed. Stop. You're so funny.
I just sing faster.
You're saying it fast?
Yes.
Okay, say it fast. Say bye, Faves. I'm going to bed. Okay, you guys.
End of the day.
And it's parents' time.
Oh, yes.
It's just time for me to go. Oh, it's like when I put Tyler down each night, I just crash.
Oh, yeah.
Crash because I know that's my last main task.
The last, and after
Oh.
it's just
Smooth sailing for the next few
relaxing.
hours. Jeez.
Yeah, some stuff to do.
Kitchen clean, baby's in bed, house is clean.
It feels good not to work in the evening.
Anyway, you guys,
We're gonna give you the French and the Jamaican expression. I'm
Okay.
gonna start, but it's gonna be a word for tonight.
Mm-hmm.
And because we show you our new kitchen, so I'm gonna give you the French word for kitchen, and that's a word that can be used for more than kitchen. So the French word is cuisine. Say it.
Cuisine.
Right, so cuisine means kitchen, but it also a verb. And you can say like I cuisine is like I cook. So that's also cuisine is when you cook, but you cook some things like
The meal. Je fais la
You-
cuisine.
yeah, you make something. It's not like you put things in the microwave and done.
Yeah,
That's
like
not
when I
calling cooking. That's
Right,
just
right.
cuisine. There's no R in cuisine. Maybe that's why you like it.
I have to like it. Even if R was in it, I would have to like it because it's my favorite thing.
Okay.
Alright.
Fais la cuisine dans la cuisine.
Right. Damn, honey, your hand is heavy on my head.
Yeah, the workout time.
To work out what, my neck?
Yeah.
My neck look big like it want to work out?
No, he looks small, like he wants to work out.
Thank you. Anyway, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today is Donga Goli.
Donagoli.
Yes. If
Jamaican
you
person
hear a
telling you in
Jamaican
the street,
say
Donagoli, yeah.
no. No.
Simple mean.
No. If a Jamaican say, yo, me I go down a gully. Normally the person is telling you that they're either going to their farm or they're going
The farm.
down somewhere where there is a river.
Okay.
Normally in the rural part of Jamaica, in the country, we normally say Donga Gully, referring to somewhere that there's a river down by a stream. There's a stream or a river down somewhere. It's as if you have to go down a hill. So we say Donga Gully because it's literally down a hill.
Donagoli.
Right, Donga Gully.
Me I go Donagoli.
Right. Or normally if there's an accident and like if a truck or a car or some vehicle overturn over a ditch or over something, we would say, yo, the truck dropped down in a gully, down in a hole.
Down in a hole.
Down a gully, yes.
Gully.
The truck dropped down,
Yeah.
it's down into
I think,
something.
okay, he are going at the hole. Why you laugh? Why you laugh?
because of your sound. Hilarious. Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yeah, it's alright, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up with us. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys, I got another package from Avery and Simmers, and I think this package is for me.
Maybe this is somebody else that's sending you that.
Maybe, but I'm not expecting anything from anybody. Some from you? Nah, I don't think so. I think this is from Avery and Simmers. I don't think it's from Babe acting like it's from him. And you and I both know. You and I both know it's not from him. So let me see if it says who it's from. I knew it was coming, so that's why I know it's from Avery and Simmers, though their name's not written on it. Ooh, that's cute. Because she did tell me that she sent something for Tyler and then she sent something for me separate. And then she was like, oh, sorry, I didn't get to send anything for Ludo. But then when I check in Tyler bag, we saw a shirt and it's babe size. Can you go for the shirt so we can show them the shirt that you got? So this is a little cute bag that's in the package, and it's things for the body. It's body care. Oh, let's see. The body shop. The berry shop. The berry shop berry boom boom. Exfoliating sugar body scrub. And this one is berry boom boom hand cream. This looks like it smells so good. Oh yes, it does. What's that one, honey?
Shower gel.
Shower gel. And this one is body butter, which means like the lotion, and it smells so good. Oh my god.
That's good.
Oh my god. It smells. Oh my god. It's as if I want to eat it. So thank you, Avery and Simmers. Thank you, guys.
And thank you too.
And this is what, baby. I love New York.
I'll be a New
I
York.
love New York.
I'll be a New York in the
So we
street.
all got something. Thanks, Avery and Simmers. I told them that you guys, you don't have to do this. You really don't have to send us anything. And she insisted on sending us something. So we really appreciate you, girl. We really appreciate you guys. And again, if you guys haven't yet checked out and subscribed to Avery and Simmers channel, I'll leave the link down below in the description box, and go ahead and show them all the love. We love you guys. Love you guys, and thank you guys again for our goodies. Damn, Seth's gone.